Hello guys, we're on the 1403 South Western Railway service from Southampton Central down to Weymouth. This service left there 2 minutes delayed due to waiting for a relief member of train crew. They were caught on the rail replacement service. And yeah, we're just between Southampton and Brokenhurst now. I believe we're just coming in there. So you can see this is sort of between the two. After that, this service will call at New Milton, Christchurch, Folkestone, Bournemouth. We got Branksome and Parkstone to do as well. Bournemouth, Branksome, Parkstone, Poole, Hamworthy, Wareham, Wall, Milton, Dorchester South, Upway, then Weymouth.
The next station is Brokenhurst. Change here for Lymington Town and Lymington Pier. For ferry connections to Yarmouth, Isle of Wight, please mind the gap between the train and the platform edge.
And ring coach 4 of 10.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're now arriving to Brokenhurst. I do apologise for the slight delay to the service. This was due to me having to jump on. There was no relief guard of Southampton. I will take you down to Bournemouth, and there is a good guard set to relieve us there. Brokenhurst, the next station stop.
I don't know if the camera picked that up actually.
I hope so. Say it, just in case.
Basically there wasn't a relief guard to take the service forward. So then the one who's on there now is taking us as far as Bournemouth, and there's going to be someone else taking us forward to Poole and Branksome and Parkstone. See, listens there on the thing. Ready?
They don't like it, it's like work.
This is Brokenhurst. This train is for Weymouth. The next station is New Milton.
What's that?
Which makes a change.
What's that?
And now we're just getting ready to leave Brokenhurst now.
What's up? Do the complicated calculation.
That was cool. I wonder if they saw this on them. Hope not.
Yeah. Yeah, you can see the rain on the window. It's a gloomy day. Ollie boy for her, and she's only worn it once, and she leaves it at our house, so it stays clean.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the delayed 1417 from Brokenhurst through to Weymouth. Next station on this service will be New Milton. Just to
That's
remind you,
on
if you
the
are driving to
Lymington
New
one.
Milton, you will need to be in the front for 5 coaches only. Five coaches only on this 10-coach train.
That's on the Lymington runs. They've now got those particular units running nose order all the time now.
Have they?
It was a 158 during the week, and they're 450 during weekends.
Okay.
But now it's completely changed.
Right.
So I don't know if you heard that, but
Listen.
New Milton is going to be a short platform. So only this half of the train will be opened. There is another half on the back of this. Did we get those numbers? 038 and...
I don't think we got this one. Oh, no, this one was 038, wasn't it?
I think so.
I don't think we got the back one. We can when we get on.
No, we can't, because it comes off of Bournemouth.
Oh, shit, no, we'll never know. Just see.
Or I can find out.
How?
I can get in contact with them.
You could.
So basically there's 44038, which is leading the service, along with another sister unit basically, which that half will be coming off of Bournemouth.
It is. Don't you think so? Fingers.
Maybe she's gone through a sway or something, I think.
Oh really? Sorry, I was
I don't know.
out the window.
What are you looking at?
I was just drifting actually. I wasn't looking at anything. Are you filming this hurry up?
Probably.
Alright. You might want to get less of the window frame then. There you go.
That's nothing. And I know it.
You are getting reflections of chairs, but there's nothing you can do about that. You can still see out.
The only main thing I can see there is just the lights and the table bits there. Those bits.
Yeah, they're the main bits. You can see the backs of the chairs as well.
Oh, maybe that was the way it was hard to tell. Maybe that was the way it was hard to tell. But yeah, we were on.
Station just now.
Oh, it was probably. Oh yeah, that was probably Sway, I think. Because now we're going through New. Because now we're gonna go. Next stop is New Milton.
Well, now some people went down the goal. Yeah, I know it's I think the puppy said how packed it is. One's like I think I've got
this service is, well, this half is actually rather busy. Because initially we got on the other half and then walked through. I didn't realise that this service pulled in early to Southampton. That's
No,
why.
yeah, don't worry about it. Doesn't matter.
Mm.
On the right bit.
When the other half comes off Bournemouth, it'll be 4 or 5.
Yeah.
Or I'll be away for a long time.
Which is actually the motor one.
Yeah, sometimes like
I think on the 450s it's the third one back.
Is that?
Because obviously they're only formed of 4
Yes.
each.
Yeah. So it's always the one before the end one. Okay. Why is that?
last night. Minute I think the puzzle.
Well, you could ask when you see viewers,
The next station is New Milton.
Does anyone know why
Final reminder for any customers alighting at New Milton, please ensure you on the
On
front
the-
5 coaches of this 10 coach train. The coach numbers are indicated on the overhead screens.
Does anyone know why the motor coach is always the last one before the end? Because
one before the last one.
one before the last one. Because I know on the 450s it's the third one before the last, and then on the 444s it's the fourth one back, which is where we are now. Leave a comment if you do know for sure, because that would be really interesting to know. And here we are at New Milton now. And again, only this half will be opened here due to a short platform.